In this video you will learn how to remove your Vivint doorbell camera. Power off your doorbell camera. Disconnect the power from your doorbell to switch from the breaker to avoid any electrical shocks. Remove the faceplate. Use a small screwdriver or release tool to carefully detach the doorbell's faceplate. Unscrew the mounting screw. Locate the screw securing your camera to the wall or mounting bracket, then remove them. Disconnect the wiring. Gently pull the camera forward and detach the two wires connected to the back of your doorbell. Remove the mounting bracket if you need to. If you want to completely uninstall the full system, unscrew and take off the mounting bracket as well. Store or replace the device. Decide whether you want to store the Vivint doorbell safely. Return it or replace it with your new doorbell. Now you know how to remove your Vivint doorbell camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.